Alright, y'all, figure out to record it just in case I die. Y'all know what happened. But I think something's going on with my battery. I have no throttle control right now. My radio cut off. I can't see anything. I gotta pull over. I mean, there's nothing else I can do. You can't see nothing, bro. What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. And to bring y'all up to speed real quick, old girl's been acting up.
Daddy, chill.
So a couple weeks ago, we were driving down the road. The headlight started to flicker. And then next thing I know, I lost throttle response. And after that, we ended up on the side of the road and we were stranded. As you can see, we are on the side of the road. Old girl broke down. At least the moon pretty though. I mean, my goodness. From there, we figured out that it was a bad alternator, so I immediately jumped on American Muscle. We got us a new alternator, boys. And I'm gonna leave the link to this because I spent hours looking for a good one and a lot of reviews. And I actually watched a lot of videos and I came across this one. This was the best deal and it was the least amount of work. With that being said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for coming back once again. We are on the way to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're feeling generous, drop a sub and we're gonna jump into this. So thank y'all once again. Y'all be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. We got a couple surprises. So first things first, you're gonna need, well, we don't have a breaker bar, but we do have a ratchet, and you're gonna want to stick this in here, 3/8 drive.
Get the tension off the belt.
Pull that off.
Yep.
Thank you, brother.
Make sure you remember how the belt goes back on, because that's more important.
Step one is take the negative terminal off the battery.
Just twist it back and forth, it'll come off. There you go.
All right, that's good right there. Next, we're gonna remove these right here. It's 10 mils.
It'll pop off, never mind.
Nice. I'm about to just throw that thing away anyway.
It's gone.
Yeah. Get him out of here, coach. Right there. All right.
There you go.
The main thing is just to loosen these. You don't want to take these all the way out because the alternator actually sits on these. Take that off right there. Put that one off.
Should be able to push in and pull. There you go. Just like that. And then we got this last one.
Should just lift up. Nice. She's out of there. For right now, I'm just gonna place this gently right there.
I think they shut down the
Think you're right, brother. All right. And just how we took it out, we're gonna put it right back in.
Nice.
Plug her in.
Nice.
There we go. Boy, that was hot.
That's off.
Reminds me of Grinch when he did the onions. So they want to get to know the Grinch, do they?
So they want to get to know me, do they?
that actually, 'cause I'm hungry. Sounds like a dog. I know it's a fire truck. It sounds like a dog. There we go.
Alright, just make sure she's on here. We don't want her falling off. Yeah, that's good. Golly, my back. I'm glad I didn't do back day today. Alright.
Oh, I have those in my pocket.
You better have those in your pocket, buddy.
I thought you said throw them out. We got new ones.
Fudge. She looks good in there. Style points don't really add much, but I do gotta say it looks way better in here. Got a couple other things to do in here, make it look good.
It'll be real cool if you had a Whipple. Imagine the fire trucks in the parade and they're like, yeah, we got a call. Everyone move, please.
Move, get the hell out the way, and everybody's cheering.
You got that one I didn't see. I'm gonna take mine off. Yeah, oh yeah, she's snug. Yep.
Alright.
Alright.
Ready, brother?
Yep. Give her to me. Give her to me. Alright,
Nice.
wait. This needs to go underneath.
It does?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Snug it down. Yeah. Yeah, because you want this side on that.
That's good.
Give her bomb. She's all aligned.
Alright, turbo install is complete. Oh yeah, but you'll see, we'll see if it does make a huge difference off the bat, because when the car's driving, it ranges from 11, no, really like upper 10s to like 13, and it should be at 14. So when I gave it a jump, it was at 14. So I'm gonna crank her up, see how she does. Last but not least, let's go ahead and tighten this. Oh, it definitely wasn't a 10. Go ahead and start the car. All right, we're gonna start her real quick. Turn this off. The battery light's off. Oh yeah, we're sitting at a smooth 14. All right, now that we got that knocked out, as promised, I got a couple surprises for y'all. First being, I had a subscriber reach out by the name of John. John, I appreciate you. John sending us out I don't want to spoil it, but John's sending us something out that will be going on the car. We will be installing. Huge shout out to John. Thank you, man. If you're seeing this, super big blessing. So that's the first announcement. I should arrive sometime this week. And then, do you want to show them the second announcement?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, and then here's the second announcement right here. All right. Ooh. So pretty much sometime in the next couple months, getting the exhaust put on, right?
Yes. Yeah. Exhaust, tune, flex fuel kit, hopefully. So we'll see.
So we got a couple things planned, but with that being said, a lot of big plans with the Z01 coming soon, so that's gonna be real fun. But thank you guys once again for tuning in to today's video. It's a smooth little video. The alternator was super easy to install. Huge shout out to Bo, he helped me out today, so appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.